Hello friends, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to have a look at the Taslar 3-way grip. It is used mostly for the GoPro. So it is the alternative and a cheaper version of the 3-way mount which you get from the GoPro. So this comes in a simple packaging. And it is retails around for MRP 2000 rupees, but I got it at a discount of rupees 1300. So let's have a look at the main product now. So there is no fancy packaging at all. So here is the main product. So it also comes with a phone mount and a screw, a GoPro screw, and the mount for putting on the camera stand on this 3-way mount. So let's have a look at it individually now. So let's keep these two things aside. So over here is the main product. So this is how it works. So you can use it however you want. There are many positions you can use it. So if you want to use it in a straight form so it can be used as the same. This is the grip. You can remove this part and this part so that it will become a proper mount, and you can apply this to your GoPro and you can click picture. So now let's apply put this on and see. And if you want to use it as a mobile mount, so you can also use it like this. So this is how you use it. In this gap you put your phone after expanding that, and over here this is where you have to put. This mount, 3-way mount, is a cheaper version which you actually get. The branded one comes for around 6,700 rupees, which is a lot expensive. In that amount you can buy the generic brands in a cheaper version. So if you don't want to waste all your money on or just put it on one item, you can use this kind of brand, a generic brand. So which is a nice thing. So just a second. Nice. So this is how you apply it. Oh yeah, and you insert your phone inside it. And that's it. So I'll keep this aside, and now I'll show you how to mount the GoPro on it. So here you put these two brackets inside these 3 brackets. So it's a bit tight, so you will get it a snug fit over here. So this is how you put the camera on the top of it, and you can use it in many different ways. So this is how it goes. You can tighten it and you can position it in however way you want it. So you need to tighten it from both the position, from here and from here, so that it doesn't falls or just bends in any way. That's how it is, and you can fold it in any way. And you can also use it in many other ways and modes. So if you just wanted to use it as a handheld grip, you can remove this part. So you can use it like this also as a small grip if you don't want the long stick, which is nice. And there is one more thing inside this. It's a tripod, so you can use this stick in many different ways, and it is like you can carry this as a one-man show kind of stuff, and you can just go anywhere and it will be all set. So this is how you open it and just mount it. That's how you do it. And if you just don't want anything and just want to use it as a tripod, and this thing is really very good for making a time lapse. And if you just want to use it as a tripod, so just remove this. Just fit this GoPro on the top of this. Just a minute, guys. So this is how you can use it. You can shift it however you want the angle of the camera. So this is how you can use it. You can shift it however you want the angle of the camera in that way, and just put it all like that. So this is a really very nice selfie stick, so you can use it many different ways and types. So that was the review, guys, for this selfie stick for the GoPro, and you can also, and for this phone also. So I'll have the link of this product in the description down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel for more reviews and unboxing videos. Thank you, guys.